Tesla Model Y Electric SUV 2025. Worth $41,490. Overview and review. Introduction. As Tesla continues to redefine the landscape of electric vehicles, EVs, the 2025 Tesla Model Y stands as a bold testament to the company's commitment to innovation, sustainability, and performance. This updated version of the Model Y comes with several key improvements, ranging from upgraded battery technology to more advanced autonomous driving capabilities. Designed to appeal to families and tech enthusiasts alike, the Model Y 2025 showcases how Tesla is consistently refining and advancing its vehicles. Exterior design. The exterior of the 2025 Tesla Model Y retains the sleek and minimalist design that has made the vehicle one of the most popular electric SUVs on the market. The aerodynamics are improved further with subtle tweaks to the body shape, contributing to a slightly better drag coefficient. While the overall silhouette remains familiar, the front grille is now more refined, with a smoother integration of the headlights, and the rear has an integrated spoiler for improved downforce at higher speeds. The signature all-glass roof continues to be a standout feature, providing an almost panoramic view of the sky. With options for larger wheels, up to 21 inches, the Model Y offers a sportier aesthetic without compromising comfort or ride quality. It remains a compact crossover SUV in the best sense, offering plenty of space without being overly large, making it well-suited for urban driving and long road trips. Interior and comfort. Inside the 2025 Tesla Model Y, Tesla has focused on improving comfort, technology, and materials. The minimalist cabin design remains, with the large 15-inch touchscreen dominating the dashboard. This screen now offers even more intuitive controls and a faster response time, with a layout that's easier to navigate. Tesla's approach to interior space, with its clean lines and uncluttered surfaces, has aged well. The overall quality of materials has been elevated, with more premium upholstery options such as vegan leather and premium textiles. The cabin is spacious for a compact SUV, with ample legroom both in the front and rear seats. One of the key highlights is the generous cargo space, thanks to the flat floor design and the ability to fold down the rear seats for additional room. The rear seats are now equipped with enhanced comfort features like adjustable recline positions and heating, making the Model Y more family-friendly. Tesla has also added a more comprehensive set of interior features, including better sound insulation for a quieter cabin, an improved HVAC system with better climate control options, and enhanced ambient lighting. These changes elevate the overall driving experience, ensuring passengers remain comfortable, whether in the city or on a long journey. Performance and driving experience. When it comes to driving, the 2025 Model Y continues to impress with its combination of speed, agility, and smooth handling. The electric powertrain, available in both the long-range and performance variants, delivers exhilarating acceleration. The performance model, capable of 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, is nearly as quick as a high-performance sports car, while the long-range version offers impressive power with a more balanced focus on efficiency. Tesla's refined dual-motor all-wheel drive system enhances the driving experience with superior handling, even in adverse weather conditions. In fact, the Model Y 2025's driving dynamics are noticeably more responsive, thanks to refined suspension tuning and better traction control algorithms. The ride quality is generally smooth, but the Model Y can feel a little stiff on rougher roads due to its sporty suspension setup. However, the trade-off is a precise, confident driving experience that excels at high speeds and during cornering. One area where the Model Y has improved significantly is regenerative braking. The 2025 version offers more customizable settings, allowing drivers to select their preferred level of braking recovery. This helps to increase efficiency and make city driving more convenient. Battery and range. The 2025 Tesla Model Y benefits from a revamped battery pack, which is based on Tesla's new 4,680 cells. These batteries offer a more compact design, with improved energy density and thermal management, leading to longer range and faster charging times. Depending on the model, the range for the 2025 Model Y has been extended to over 330 miles on a full charge for the long-range version, and even the performance version is capable of achieving more than 300 miles under typical driving conditions. Tesla has also improved its supercharging network, and the Model Y now supports even faster charging speeds, capable of adding up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes at the right supercharger stations. For home charging, the vehicle comes with the standard Tesla wall connector, and owners can also use level 2 charging stations for convenient at-home top-ups. Autonomous driving and technology. Tesla's autopilot system continues to be a highlight of the 2025 Model Y. With regular over-the-air software updates, the vehicle's full self-driving (FSD) capabilities have seen steady improvements. The 2025 version includes advanced features such as enhanced navigate on autopilot. The Model Y can now more reliably handle highway on-ramps, off-ramps, and interchanges with less driver intervention. Automatic lane changes. The vehicle can now perform lane changes more smoothly and safely in complex traffic scenarios. AutoPark. Tesla's self-parking system has been enhanced to park the vehicle in tighter spaces and can now handle parallel and perpendicular parking with increased precision. FSD Beta. The 2025 Model Y features the most advanced version of Tesla's full self-driving software, which includes automatic city street navigation, traffic signal recognition, and the ability to take turns and navigate intersections autonomously. Despite all these improvements, Tesla's autopilot system still requires driver supervision, and fully autonomous driving, without human intervention, is not yet a reality. In addition to autopilot, the 2025 Model Y is equipped with an array of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assistance. These features, along with the optional full self-driving package, make the Model Y one of the safest vehicles in its class. Safety. Safety has always been a strong selling point for Tesla, and the 2025 Model Y is no exception. With a robust chassis, a low center of gravity, due to the battery placement, and advanced driver assistance features, the Model Y offers excellent protection in the event of a collision. Tesla continues to score high in crash tests, earning top marks for both front and side crash protection. Additionally, the Model Y 2025 comes equipped with advanced sensor arrays, including radar, cameras, and ultrasonic sensors, providing comprehensive coverage for collision avoidance systems. In the event of a crash, Tesla's emergency systems, including automatic braking, are designed to minimize injury and damage, pricing and value. The 2025 Tesla Model Y is available in several configurations, with prices starting at around $41,000, $49,010 for the base long-range model and reaching upwards of $55,000 for the performance version. This pricing puts it in line with other electric SUVs like the Rivian R1S and Ford Mustang Mach-E, although Tesla's reputation for high resale value and regular software updates gives it a distinct advantage. Given the combination of range, performance, and advanced technology, the 2025 Model Y offers strong value, especially for those looking to enter the electric vehicle market without compromising on luxury or utility. Overall assessment. The 2025 Tesla Model Y builds on the success of its predecessors and delivers a vehicle that is faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever. With improvements across the board, from range to performance, interior quality to autonomous driving, the Model Y continues to be one of the most compelling options in the electric SUV segment. Whether you're looking for an environmentally friendly family car or a high-performance EV with cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Model Y makes a strong case as one of the best all-around electric vehicles on the market. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for more informative content.